Hi guys,
Again
welcome
in
back
this
with
channel.
me again in
In
this
today's
channel.
tutorial,
On
I'm
today's
going to
tutorial,
show
I'm
you
going to
the
show you the
four
DTI
hair
hair
combos
combos
for
that you
DTI
can try
that
for
you can
your next
try for
show
your next
in Dress
show.
to Impress.
And here,
So if
if you're
you're looking
looking for
for
the
the
perfect hair
perfect hair
combo to
combo to slay your next
style
style
showdown in
showdown in
Dress to
DTI,
Impress, in this
in this tutorial
I'll
I'll
show
show
you the
you the
best hair
best hair
combinations
combinations
that
that will make your
stand out
avatar stand
and
out and
steal
steal
the
the
spotlight.
spotlight.
So let me show
So
you the
I'm going
first
to
one. For the
show
first
you
one, you can
third hair combo.
combine four
Let's go to the first one. So for
hairstyles here.
the
The
first
first one,
hair, you can add four hairstyles here. The first one is you can just add this ones right here. Sorry, not this one. Okay, this one. And then you can change the tutorial to only the bangs for this style. And the second one, combine it with this ones right here. And don't forget to change the color to be the same with the first one. You can also use a different colors, but make sure that it doesn't you make sure that it match. Okay, so this is the third one. Choose to the bangs only, enable the bangs only, this one's right here. And don't forget to change the color. Oops, okay, so for the last one here, use this ones right here and change it totally to no bangs, only use the hair, and that's it. So this is the first hair combo. Let's move on to the second one. So for the second one, first you need to add this ones right here. Change the color to how you want. Use only the bangs for this ones right here. And move on to the second one. Use this long hair, this one, and choose the more animated options. Don't forget to change the color. Okay, now next combine it with this one, and again change the color. And for the next combination, oops, okay, the time is running out. Use this one. Oh, sorry. And then use this no bangs with no bangs. And again change the color. Okay, so this is for the second hair combination. Move on to the last one. First add this ones right here. I'm going to change it into like a peach color, this one, pink. And then next combine it with this long hair, and don't forget to change the color. Third one is this one, and choose only the bangs. Change the color. Okay, now let's add this hairstyles, this one, and change the color. Now this is it. So this is the last hair combo that you can try. Okay, I like this one. And so that's pretty much all. I hope this hair combos will be inspiration for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.